Hello, my name is Roger and I am dyslexic. I have created these courses in such a way that it makes it much easier to read, understand and remember. This is how I would like to have seen it when I was learning the subject. You see before you the thumbnails from the algebra section. There are many more sections, but I won't bore you with them at the moment. As an example from the algebra section, we look at the equation x squared plus bx equals a constant c, which is just a number. The x squared is shown in the dark green square, and the bx is shown in the blue square. I have now divided the bx area into two equal pieces. So that is shown mathematically as bx over 2, and you can see there are two halves, which makes a whole. I have taken one of the halves and put it underneath the x squared. That's the dark green square. You see here I have added a yellow square. This is called completing the square, because now we have that big square. This is a technique used in algebra to solve quadratic equations. They are equations that have an x squared in them. I will put that away in the corner for the moment. When learning algebra, there is one basic idea that will keep you on the straight and narrow. That is to keep the balance. In other words, whatever is on one side of the equation is equal to whatever's on the other side in numerical terms. I find the best way to truly understand an equation is to use graphs, and there will be lots of them. Moving on now to the English and spelling side of things. To learn to spell long words, we break them up into syllables, and this is how I present syllables. Vowels give you the main sound of a word. I have highlighted them in red. The remaining letters are consonants, and they are shown up in black text. Prefixes are small words that go in front of a basic word and will change the meaning of the basic word. Likewise, suffixes go on the end of a basic word. I have put plurals in the category of suffixes. I have talked about basic words. To get to the point where we have basic words, we start with a key word. This will show us a vowel combination and its sound. After that, we will add basic words, and then again add prefixes and suffixes to change the meaning of those words. This way, you'll have a whole battery of words that you will be able to spell. In the green box, you will see the word overcook, but in the grey box, this is how I present it in the course. You see, it's so much easier to keep track of the letters and how it's constructed. Here is another snippet from the spelling course. I talk about prefixes, and I give a definition. In this case, pre means before, so we have prehistoric and pre-war. The red box shows how this is shown in normal text, and you can see how much easier it is to read and understand when presented as it is in the grey box. One of the guiding principles I use in this course is learn, revise, remember. So I will explain things in the first place, and later I will reuse that so that it automatically revises what you've done. I hope that this way it will be less boring than just simply repeating stuff over and over. Sometimes, when we have a base word that ends in E and we want to add a suffix, it's important to know when we should drop the E off the base word. This is an easy lesson and I hope you will enjoy it. And again, it opens up a large number of words that you can spell correctly. One of the many memory techniques is to group items together. In the place where we look at O-U-G-H, I have grouped some words together in what I call a silly sentence. I find this the most amusing part of making the course, but then I have a strange sense of humour. And this, by the way, is as difficult as it gets. If you feel inclined, please press on the subscribe button. This will help to spread these videos to other people, and more importantly, you won't have to sit through this video again. So, thank you for watching, and good health to you. Bye bye.